People ran onto the street as the quake siren sounded, but almost nowhere was safe. Strong towers across the skyline looked more like jelly on the brink. Over 30 buildings have collapsed, including at schools. Walls and roofs of these classrooms caved in during lessons. 22 students are confirmed dead. Dozens are missing. Tonight, thousands of people, parents, strangers, are helping dig through a tragic mess, hoping to find children alive. As news broke, one anchor was forced to run as the building shook violently. Office workers fled from their desks into the outdoors in a wave of panic triggered by the 7.1 magnitude quake. Under these plumes of dust, it's feared hundreds are buried in rubble.
We just lost the building, Mexico City.
4 million have no power, the airport's closed, hospitals are among the ruins, leaving survivors to be treated on streets. Ashley Mullaney, 7 News.